ETMONEY Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to ETMONEY are in the description if you want to check it out. ETMONEY is an all-in-one robo-advisory platform designed for investors looking to automate their wealth-building process. It caters to beginners, salaried professionals, and experienced investors by offering commission-free direct mutual fund investments, tax-saving strategies, insurance options, and expense tracking. The platform is built to simplify financial planning by analyzing users' risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon to recommend optimized portfolios. One of ETMONEY's standout features is its Smart Portfolio, which provides AI-driven fund recommendations, automatic rebalancing, and tax-efficient investing. Users can start with SIPs, systematic investment plans, or invest in lump sums with complete flexibility. The app also offers NPS, National Pension System, investments, fixed deposits, and digital gold, giving investors access to diversified asset classes. Additionally, its smart expense management tool helps track spending habits and optimize savings. The platform's strengths include a seamless user experience, commission-free investments for higher long-term returns, and goal-based investing to help users stay on track. Its tax-saving features, such as ELSS, Equity-Linked Savings Scheme, recommendations, and automated tax filing assistance, are beneficial for salaried professionals. The AI-driven insights ensure that users receive data-backed fund suggestions, making investment decisions easier. However, there are some drawbacks. ETMONEY primarily focuses on mutual funds, meaning investors looking for stock trading or ETFs will need another platform. Additionally, while the app offers automation, it lacks direct human advisory support, which some users may prefer. Lastly, some investors might find its expense tracking feature unnecessary if they already use dedicated budgeting tools. In conclusion, ETMONEY is an excellent choice for investors who want a smart, automated, and cost-effective way to grow their wealth. Its AI-driven approach, tax-saving benefits, and commission-free investing make it a strong contender in the robo-advisory space. If you're looking for a streamlined way to manage your finances and investments, ETMONEY is worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more details. If you found this review helpful, like and subscribe for more expert insights on investment tools.